Alright, we got this 1991 Axeman Anderson pretty well installed here. Got it running. We have a motor that doesn't have a starter capacitor on it, so we're trying to figure out if we're going to keep it or not. It starts a little hard, but it does start. Doesn't have any load on the gearbox yet though. Do another demonstration of how much wind the flue blows out on one of these things. Woo! That's it, we'll figure that part out and then get the dog box and stuff on there, and then it'll be time for plumbing. Alright, well, this is about as far as we got done tonight. We got most of the supply and oops, almost fell down the steps. Most of the supply and return done here. Supply's coming up out of the boiler, past the gauge, then it'll go transition to PEX here and it'll go over into the corner there. And the same thing with the return. It's out of the bottom. Sorry, not much light there. And up into here, and then this will transition into PEX here and go over to the wall where the PEX stuff is. Looks like we're probably going to change the motor since it's not a capacitive start motor. It kind of starts a little hard. Get some power to it here in a second. We'll show you how it works. Here, you can do the honors.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, not so sure if that's good or not, but we're just going to put one with the capacitor on it. That way we'll know it's supposed to work. And tomorrow we'll hope to finish it up.